Hi! In front of me is TOSCIDO M863 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. First of all, you need to locate Clock app and click on it. Now choose Alarm at the top left corner if it's not already on and tap on this red plus icon. After that, you need to set up an hour and when you're ready, choose OK. Now you can choose Repeat over here. Come on. And tap on days of the week that you wish to set up. You can also select one of those options over here. Wherever you do, remember to click OK to save your choice. When you're ready, you need to click on Label over here, label your alarm however you want to, and tap on OK. Then click on Silence after 10 minutes and tap on one of those options. I will go with 1 minute. Then click on Default and tap on Add New. Now you can add songs from your smartphone by tapping on the best one for you and going back. But you can always just click on one of those melodies as well, set up the best one and go back. As you can see, my alarm was successfully added. If you wish to switch it off completely, click on the switcher next to it. In order to turn it back on, click on the same one. If you wish to delete your alarm, you can always do that by choosing this little icon under the switcher, tapping on Delete under Label, and now it's gone. In order to adjust more alarm settings, click on those three dots at the top right corner, select Settings and adjust them however you want to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!